What's unique in residential design, I think, is it's a very personal and intimate experience. So not only are you physically in somebody's space, but you're also taking their personality, what they want to have reflected of themselves in a space and trying to make it translatable with both your vision and their vision coming together. As part of this project for the client, we worked on their kitchen, we remodeled a powder room on the first floor, we decorated their master suite, and then we also remodeled the master bathroom. And so their request was that they wanted to feel that they were in a European hotel room. They wanted it to feel clean and simplistic, but also feel very luxury at the same time. FENIX was such a unique find in the marketplace and in the industry. It was very easy for a local fabricator to source the material. It had a very short lead time, which is always a bonus. The color choices and the color availability was just really on trend, really inspiring. In our particular case, the Blu Fes was just a perfect find. I wanted a very simple slab cabinetry style. We chose an aluminum edge banding detail. Everything is a push-touch door that really gives a unique interaction. It was an obvious choice for us. The finished product absolutely exceeded the client's expectations and my expectations as well. The final installed vanity just gives the perfect European style to the overall space.